Hey guys, G's Vintage Fan Shed here today, and today's destruction video is going to be of this 1994 Hunter Piedmont ceiling fan. This one here, all the blades are messed up on it, the grommets are rotten through them. And I have my friend here today. You mind being on video?
Not at all.
We have my friend Justin here. He's buying some cinder blocks off of me and wanted to throw some rotten refrigerated bananas into a ceiling fan.
Why
So,
not, right?
so this one here, I've had it for a while, and there's no point in keeping it because these are common fans. So, we will now get started. So you see it's fully functional, and show on the road. I'm gonna move out of the way here. Pretty much aim for the light, get up close, and just hurl the shit out of it, splatter it off of the fan. Oh shit! Oh shit! Got one caught in the plate. I'm gonna throw the last two at once. You go ahead. Oh shit! Where did that go? It slung on me. It's way too high. I'm gonna clear this light out of the way.
That's pretty therapeutic, huh?
Very. I want to pick up that burnt plastic hood and give her a good smack. Actually, hold on. Let me do that. Oh my god, this thing is covered in banana juice. What is it? I'm trying to get it to go as fast as it'll go by flattening all the blades. You want to give her a good old whack?
Watch your head.
Oh, you ain't got to throw it. You can smack it. Uh-oh, we're about to lose it. Come back here and look at that.
Oh, I see it.
Oh, shit. Oh, shit.
Do me a favor, turn the light switch off. Which one?
It's over there. Sorry, Bubble. Oh, shit. Oh, shit.
That's not bad, but I know it's actually pretty therapeutic.
Oh.
Yeah, I'll take it, man. It's a victory.
You want that blade for keepsakes?
No. I think this
It's the
memory
only
is
blade on the
keepsake.
fan that isn't covered in bananas. Hold on. I tried. Bitch. Yeah. It's not holding up the greatest. Pop the switch back on. Yeah, it's gonna wobble like hell. Yeah, you'll see a rake over there. Grab that and go to town with it.
Oh, I'm good after that one, man. I'm good. You finish her off. I'm not trying to get whacked.
Actually, we're gonna use one of the past destruction units.
There you go. Still wanting to go.
Oops, did they turn down a speed? Uh-oh. We'll see if it'll throw sparks.
So what?
If it'll throw sparks. I'm surprised it's even still holding up.
It's an older fan, man. They're built to last.
don't know, the brackets off a fan from like 2020, 2015 maybe. You can hear them like tightening. Oh, this should be a good one. Fully inflated tire.
Metal's still going.
Hold on. Almost like it turned itself off. Don't you fall on me, I swear to God. Oh, there it goes. There went our sparks.
Yeah, you got your sparks.
Well, we can kill it now if you want. There, that's it.
Not a bad little hobby, man.
Oh yeah. That one was very eventful. I'm gonna go ahead and knock her out of the ceiling. Pretty much. You can see this brake has been very, very fuck did Hunter make this out of? Fucking tungsten?